Welcome back to Auto Evolution Hub. Today, we're going to take a look at the top 5 most expensive construction machines ever created. These machines are built for massive scale and power, and each one costs millions of dollars. But what makes them so valuable? Let's dive into the world of heavy machinery and find out. Let's start with the Komatsu D575A-3 Super Dozer. This is the world's largest bulldozer, and its price tag is a hefty $3.5 million. With a weight of over 150 tons, it's built to move earth like no other. Its massive blade can push through the toughest terrains, leveling mountains and making way for massive construction projects. A true powerhouse in the world of heavy machinery. Next up is the Liebherr LR13000 crawler crane, priced at $45 million. This giant is capable of lifting up to 3,000 tons of weight, with a boom extending up to 200 meters. It's the ultimate tool for heavy lifting in construction, oil rigs, and shipyards. The precision and power it offers are unparalleled in the world of cranes. Coming in at number 3, we have the Bagger 288 excavator, which costs a mind-blowing $100 million. This is the world's largest bucket wheel excavator, and it can move up to 240,000 tons of earth per day, weighing a staggering 13,500 tons. This machine is built to dig into mountains and extract valuable materials, revolutionizing the mining industry. At number 2, we have the Terex O and K RH 400 hydraulic shovel with a price tag of $25 million. This giant is used for the heaviest mining tasks with a bucket capacity of 45 cubic meters. It can lift up to 100 tons of material at a time, making it a crucial asset for large-scale excavation and mining operations. Finally, we have the Big Bud 747 tractor, which is the largest farm tractor in the world, costing $1.5 million. This machine generates a whopping 1,100 horsepower and can cover 400 acres of land in a single day. It's not just a tractor, it's a farming revolution that changes the way agriculture works on a massive scale. So, which of these monstrous machines blew your mind? Which one would you love to see in action? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Evolution Hub for more incredible machinery content. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more exciting videos about the world of heavy machinery, construction, and technology here at Auto Evolution Hub. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.